Hey there, fellow van lifers and adventurers. Today, we're going to talk about something crucial for your van life experience: vehicle maintenance. Keeping your van in top shape is essential to avoid costly breakdowns and ensure a smooth journey. So, let's dive into the key aspects of vehicle maintenance for van lifers and make sure your home on wheels stays in optimal condition. Regular maintenance. First, let's discuss regular maintenance, which is the key to a healthy van. Here are some essential maintenance tasks you should stay on top of. Oil and filter changes. Regular oil and filter changes are the cornerstone of any healthy engine. Old or contaminated oil can lead to engine damage, while a clogged filter can reduce fuel efficiency and increase emissions. Check your owner's manual for recommended oil change intervals, but generally, every 3,000 to 5,000 miles is a safe bet. Tire care. Proper tire maintenance is vital for a smooth and safe ride. Regularly check your tire pressure and adjust it according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear, and replace them when they become worn or damaged. Investing in a quality tire pressure gauge and portable air compressor can make tire care much more manageable on the road. Brake maintenance. Your brakes are essential for safe driving, so it's crucial to keep them in good working order. Inspect your brake pads and rotors for wear and replace them as necessary. Additionally, check your brake fluid levels and top them off if needed. If you notice any unusual noises or reduced stopping power, have your brakes inspected by a professional. Now, let's talk about preventative maintenance. There are several measures you can take to keep your van running smoothly and avoid potential issues. Inspect belts and hoses. Belts and hoses are vital components of your engine, and their failure can lead to significant damage. Regularly inspect them for cracks, leaks, or signs of wear, and replace them as needed. Keep your battery in good shape. A dead battery can leave you stranded and without power, so it's essential to keep it in good working order. Clean the battery terminals to prevent corrosion, ensure it's securely mounted, and replace it if it's more than a few years old or showing signs of weakness. Check your coolant levels. Your cooling system helps regulate your engine's temperature, preventing overheating and damage. Regularly check your coolant levels and top them off if needed. Additionally, flush and replace your coolant according to your owner's manual recommendations. Emergency repairs. Despite your best efforts, breakdowns can still happen. Here's how to handle them. Keep a well-stocked toolkit. Carry a basic toolkit that includes items such as a multi-tool, wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, a tire repair kit, and a portable air compressor. These tools will help you handle minor repairs on the road. Invest in a roadside assistance plan. A roadside assistance plan can be a lifesaver in the event of a breakdown, providing services such as towing, tire changes, and jump starts. Research and choose a plan that suits your needs and travel plans. Develop basic troubleshooting skills. Familiarize yourself with common van issues and their symptoms, so you can identify and potentially resolve problems on the road. Learning basic troubleshooting skills can save you time, money, and stress during a breakdown. Customizing your maintenance routine. Every van is unique, and your maintenance routine should be tailored to your specific needs and circumstances. Here are some factors to consider when customizing your maintenance plan. Consider your van's age and mileage. Older vans or those with higher mileage may require more frequent maintenance and inspections. Be aware of your van's specific maintenance schedule and adjust your routine accordingly. Factor in your travel style and environment. Your travel style and the environments you frequent can impact your van's maintenance needs. If you spend a lot of time off-roading or in harsh climates, you may need to perform certain maintenance tasks more frequently or invest in specialized equipment to keep your van in top shape. Account for any modifications or upgrades. If you've made modifications or upgrades to your van, ensure you're maintaining these components as well. This may include items such as solar panels, aftermarket suspension, or custom electrical systems. Staying organized. Keeping track of your maintenance efforts can help you stay on top of your van's needs and ensure you don't overlook essential tasks. Here are some tips for staying organized. Create a maintenance log. A maintenance log can help you track when specific tasks were last performed and when they're due again. You can use a physical notebook or a digital app to keep your maintenance log up to date. Set reminders. Use a calendar or a reminder app to schedule alerts for upcoming maintenance tasks. This will help ensure you don't forget crucial tasks, such as oil changes or tire rotations. Keep a running list of repairs and upgrades. Maintain a list of any repairs or upgrades you've made to your van, including the date and cost. This information can be helpful when selling your van or when troubleshooting issues down the line. Fuel system maintenance. Taking care of your van's fuel system can improve its performance and efficiency. Here are 3 key aspects of fuel system maintenance. Fuel filter replacement. A clogged fuel filter can reduce your van's fuel efficiency and cause performance issues. Replace your fuel filter according to the manufacturer's recommendations, which is typically every 30,000 miles. Clean the fuel injectors. Dirty fuel injectors can reduce fuel efficiency and engine performance. Use a fuel injector cleaner as part of your regular maintenance routine, or have your injectors professionally cleaned if you suspect a problem. Check for fuel leaks. Regularly inspect your van for any signs of fuel leaks, such as a strong fuel smell or visible wet spots on the ground. Address any leaks immediately to prevent further damage and ensure safe operation. Electrical system maintenance. Your van's electrical system powers essential components like the lights, ignition, and appliances. Keep it in good working order with these 3 tips. Inspect wiring and connections. Check for any loose, frayed, or damaged wiring throughout your van. Secure any loose connections and replace any damaged wires to prevent electrical issues. Test the alternator. The alternator charges your van's battery while the engine is running. If you suspect your battery isn't charging correctly or you're experiencing electrical issues, have your alternator tested and replaced if necessary. Check your fuses. Regularly inspect the fuses in your van's fuse box for any blown or damaged fuses. Replace them as needed to maintain proper electrical function. Handling rust and corrosion. Rust and corrosion can cause significant damage to your van if left untreated. Here are 3 ways to address and prevent rust. Inspect your van for rust. Regularly check your van's exterior and undercarriage for any signs of rust or corrosion. Pay close attention to areas where water, dirt, or debris can collect, such as wheel wells and door edges. Treat existing rust. If you find any rust on your van, it's essential to address it promptly. Remove loose rust with a wire brush, sand the area, and apply a rust inhibitor. Finish by priming and painting the affected area to protect it from further corrosion. Prevent future rust. Regularly wash and wax your van to remove dirt, salt, and other contaminants that can contribute to rust formation. Additionally, consider applying a rust-proofing spray or undercoating to your van's undercarriage for added protection. By following these maintenance tips and addressing potential issues before they become severe, you'll keep your van running smoothly and enjoy a more carefree van life experience. Remember, investing time and effort in maintaining your van now will pay off in the long run, ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow van lifers, and subscribe to our channel for more van life tips and tricks. If you have any questions or additional maintenance advice, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy travels and stay safe on the road.